Now, your car's rear view mirror can do a lot more than reflect traffic. Imagine this: you're cruising at night, someone cuts you off, or your parked car gets bumped, and you have zero proof. Now, that's where the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro, a 3-channel 4K mirror dashcam with STARVIS 2 night vision that sees everything. Now, today, I'll take you from unboxing to real road tests during the day, during the night, and even while parked, so that you know if this is actually the ultimate upgrade for your car. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we make driving smarter and safer with real-world car tech reviews. Now today we've got the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Cabin version. And this thing packs some serious power. Now in the box, you'll find the G900 Tripro mirror dashcam. This has a 12-inch touchscreen which replaces your regular mirror.
There is also
interior cabin cam,
GPS dongle,
power cable. It has some mounting straps as well. You also get the rear camera with this and the long rear cable for installation. Here's the best part. It has a 256 gigs micro SD card pre-installed. And the WOLFBOX includes a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Now the setup is super beginner friendly. The main unit straps over your existing rear view mirror with these rubber mounts. Secure and simple. Then you route the rear camera cable either inside along your roof trim or outside if you want a clear plate shot. Now the cabin cam is plug and play. Just position it to cover the whole interior. Now once powered on, the interface is super intuitive as well, with the swipe to change the views from front, rear, inside, or split screen. You can adjust the brightness as well and toggle voice commands.
turn on Wi-Fi.
Even if you're not techie, you'll get the hang of it in minutes. Now, let's talk about the video quality. This is a 4K front recording powered by Sony STARVIS 2 with the sensor of IMX678. Look how sharp this footage is. You can see the license plates, road signs, even moving cars are crystal clear. The rear camera records 2.5K, which is perfect for blind spot coverage, while the interior camera shoots 1080p for complete security inside your car. Now here's where the STARVIS 2 shines, literally. Check this out. Dark highway, very low light condition as well. Everything still looks bright and super detailed without overexposure. You can even read signs and plates without that grainy mess other dashcams give you. Now here are some killer features. The voice control is amazing because you could just say take photo or lock video and it responds instantly, which is great for hands-free safety. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is great as well because this makes the downloading 4K clips to the WOLFBOX app lightning fast. I mean like seconds, not minutes. The parking mode is amazing as well because if you add the optimal hardware kit, this activates the buffered parking monitoring. So if someone bumps your car or tries to break in, you'll have video proof. Perfect for city parking or overnight stays. Now this is the audio test on the WOLFBOX. Let me know what you think down below if it's any good or not. Now are you into this kind of rear view mirror where it's more digital, like you're looking at a screen, or you like the traditional old style rear view mirror? In my opinion, I think there's a little bit of time that you need to get used to it, but after that you're good to go.
When I first started using it, it's just a little bit. It took me a little bit of time because your eyes needs to adjust on the instead of looking just on a mirror, you're looking at a screen instead. But after you get used to that, you're good to go. I also like how you can have a rear camera where you can eliminate basically looking at your cabin. Meaning if you have a lot of stuff in your van or in your car and you're not able to see the window in the back of your vehicle, you'll still be able to see who's behind you because of the camera.
Now, who needs this? Honestly, everyone. Daily commuters who want peace of mind, Uber or Lyft drivers who need interior footage for safety, road trippers capturing memories as well, and even parents lending their car to new drivers. You're basically getting a security system on wheels. Now here's a quick rundown. The stunning 4K video with next-gen night vision. It has a full 3-channel coverage, which is the front, rear, and cabin as well. It has the voice control plus the super fast app transfer and the huge 256 gig card included already. And I love how easy to install it as well with the 12-month warranty. Some of the cons: the hardware kit for the parking mode is sold separately, and the screen brightness could be a tad higher in direct sunlight, but still very usable. So, what's the verdict? If you want a premium dashcam that doubles as a smart mirror, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro is a no-brainer. From insane 4K clarity to STARVIS 2 night vision and full coverage as well, it's rock solid choice for safety and convenience. Now thanks for watching everyone. Make sure to check out the Amazon link in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions at all. Stay safe out there. Peace.